Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining. This is an SAP FICO training video. The training is within general controlling and cost element accounting. In particular, we are talking about the master data for this area. Today is November 13th, 2024. If these SAP training videos are helping you on your SAP FICO training journey, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the chat. Let me know how many years of SAP FICO experience you have. As you all know, I like to format the information provided in question answer format. And without further delay, let's get into it. Side note here, cost elements are the focus of this training video. The other master data objects will be covered in their respective training videos. After I cover all areas of SAP FICO training in depth, I will double back and do a master data training video covering all master data in one fell swoop. Okay, back to our regularly scheduled program. What are the subtopics for master data for general controlling and cost element accounting? Cost elements, cost element groups. What are some of the master data objects that is used by controlling? Cost elements, cost centers, internal orders, etc. Focus, cost elements. What are cost elements? The accounts of the controlling modules. What do all controlling postings flow into? Cost elements. What are profit and loss accounts normally set as? Cost elements. What are secondary cost elements? Accounts used in financial account postings and internal controlling postings, financial accounting postings. What are cost elements fully integrated with? The general ledger. In S/4HANA, does a separate cost element master data object exist? No, because cost elements are a type of general ledger account with special settings in their master records. Menu path to look at master record of a cost element. Accounting, controlling, cost element accounting, master data, cost element, individual processing, FS00, edit cost element. This menu path now points to T code FS00. FS00 is used to maintain general ledger accounts. Cost elements are a type of general ledger account. Older T codes to maintain cost element accounts now redirect to FS00. Select expense account 651000000, enter company code 1000. This account is defined as an income statement account. Select the Control Data tab to review the controlling settings for the account. Now in SAP S/4HANA, in the General Ledger Account Master Record, account settings in the controlling area are displayed in their own tab. This tab, Control Data. Let's discuss some of the settings here. Cost element category. This determines what business transactions can use the cost element. Separate categories for primary and secondary cost elements exist. Primary costs / cost reducing revenues, accrual deferral surcharge, accrual deferral debit equal actual, revenues, sales deduction, and external settlement. Record quantity defines if the system issues a message if no quantity or quantity unit is specified when posting to the cost element. Internal unit of measure controls if an internal unit of measure can be used for this cost element. After maintaining these settings, the account is integrated between the general ledger and controlling. That concludes cost elements. For our final topic in master data for general controlling, and cost element accounting, let's cover cost element groups. Focus, cost element groups. What does a cost element group do? They group together similar cost elements for reporting and data processing needs. What are the T codes to maintain cost element groups? KAH1, create, and these guys. Menu path to create a cost element group. Accounting, controlling cost element accounting, master data, cost element group, KAH1, create. Enter a meaningful name for the cost element group. You can create a cost element group with reference to an existing group that must be specified together with the chart of accounts here. Press enter to proceed. Initially, you will see this screen, which is the top level of the cost element group. Enter a meaningful description. Same level. Inserts the cost element group at the same level. Lower level. Inserts the cost element group at a lower level. Cost element. Inserts the cost element. Using these options, you can build your cost element groups as shown in the next screen. We created a few cost element groups under the main cost element group, then assigned a range of cost elements to the cost element group. Likewise, you can build complex cost element groups. That concludes cost element groups and our training video. Thank you. If these videos are helping you on your SAP FICO training journey, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the chat. Let me know how many years of SAP FICO experience you have. Thank you all for your time. Until next time, as always, peace.